am Fatih Barut, and I'll try to explain the idea of Sonarium, Ultrasonic Protection Zone. I wanted to present my project with, instead of mispronunciations, mispronunciation and Mr. Post.
I like the idea behind Akudo. Instead of creating energy, using existing energy for our benefit. In this case we are against viruses, and it seems flies are at their side and helping them. What if we change the positions? As it is known, some important arboviruses like Bluetongue, in general, Acobane, and Schmallenberg, don't cause symptomatic disease for cattle except the pregnant ones. Therefore, because the natural circulation of the virus between animals is a natural vaccination and increases the herd immunity, it is wanted. In this case, bitches work like volunteer vaccination agents. On the other hand, we still need to protect our pregnant animals from these viruses, and we still need to protect all animals from the nearby occurrence of EHDV and VEFV, therefore from vector midges. What if we had a button to activate the midges and deactivate them? We can produce sound if we can catch the resonance of atoms. Resonance creates sound, and sound creates resonance if it is sent with right frequency. The resonance depends on the volume, shape, type, and heat. If we can find the right frequency that produces resonance on the wings of flies, which prevent them fly, or on antenna, which prevent them find the way and or host, or needle, which distract them while they try to find the intradermal capillaries. If we find the right frequency, we can build sonic towers in field and produce sonic walls so that we may able to scare them away from the area we want. And not just our animals, we can protect our plants, including flowers, vegetables and crops, from insects using sonic towers. And we can also protect fruit trees using this method. And this approach may turn our agriculture to organic times with no use of pesticides for vegetables and fruits, with no residue consideration. And this solution is also valid for animals with chemical repellent residue problem. It seems the differentiation of mammalian, insect, and plant tissues, in terms of volume, shape, and molecular organization, decrease the direct side effect risk of sonic resonance. The experience of prototype is also not difficult. To find the right frequency, we can watch the reaction against different frequencies. Under microscope, we can use currently available spit traps for next step. After finding the disturbing frequency, we can set currently available spit traps in the sonic protection zone, and after waiting enough amount of time, we can measure the speed amount on the traps and find effectiveness of the sound on midges feeding behavior. We can feed our vector midges with vaccine virus-infected blood. Then after waiting enough time to make the midges hungry, we can unleash the midges on Sonarium-protected antigenically and serologically negative animals. And after appropriate incubation, we can take blood and serum of the animals for early detection of viremia by real-time PCR and later detection of serologic response by ELISA, with appropriate intervals. We need to do similar trials for open areas by changing other variables, like air temperature, rain, having vaccine serotype infected viremic animals in herd.
To do all of those, firstly we need to learn preferably not audible, definitely harmless sound frequency range for humans and animals. Then we need to find distracting frequency range for midges. Maybe we can get much more effective results with a cocktail of different frequencies. It's not easily predictable in this stage. To sum up, as far as I'm concerned, we definitely need to find much more effective, cheap to build, cheap to maintain, environment-friendly, repellent systems with no residue problem. This system may look as technological approach, but actually it's not much more different than my father was doing when he was a child, making noise to scare away the feral pigs which was trying to eat their crop. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Okay.